Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Vishwam Computers. In our today's video, we are going to discuss third important topic of your multimedia, media integration. What is this media integration and what are the issues that are related to multimedia editors that we will discuss in our today's session. The question may fall like this: what is media integration? And write about the multimedia editors and the issues related to multimedia integration. You people can receive it in any way, but you should understand what is this integration is. Let's start with the topic called integration meaning. This multimedia integration provides a relationship between the media and data in order to represent the modifying things that we are doing it on a multimedia objects. Whatever the media that you people are going to create, it will establish a relation between them. Now how it will look like, in which place you people are playing, on which platform you people are playing, all those things will become mandatory, and it is a necessary information that you people need to have when you people are creating the media, as well as you people are formatting, when you people are editing them. Completely depends on two things majorly. Traditionally we can say that is format specific, in which format you people are creating this media and on which platform you people are running them. Such kind of things will become mandatory. Sometimes every user will not have the same devices, same equipment in order to run the media. Every user may use different kind of technology, different kind of applications in order to run your media. So those two things are getting mandatory when you people are integrating this media onto the different kind of devices, different kind of applications, I can say. So let us consider the multimedia editors that you people will be using in order to integrate them. When you people are using a term called multimedia editors, you people can modify the text, video, audio, bitmap images, and all the things that you people are having in the media that can be used. And these particular multimedia editors use a concept called what you see is what you get. This is the concept of multimedia editors. Means to say that when you people are editing, what you people are observing in the editors, that you people will be getting as the output. And the issues related to these particular editors are considered like this: document structure. The document structure will be having the functionalities related to the editors, what kind of functionality the editor is having and what it can do, what it can determine. That kind of information will be there in your document structure. This structure of multimedia document should achieve the standards like ODA, Office Document Architecture, for interchange of electronic documents, I can say, and SGML, Standard Generalized Markup Language Standards. These particular standards should be achieved in order to bring your media into the market. Document structure should be obeying this all these things, I can say. Okay, now get into the next issue. The next issue that we are having here is media editors integration. When you people are having editor, how do we integrate them? We people will be having different kind of composition, different kind of editings that we people will apply onto the media. See, consisting and composition of individual editors. See, when you people are having a certain media, we people will not use a single editor to edit them. We people may have different kind of tools, different kind of applications in order to edit them. First of all, when you people are having a data in your media, the data level editors should be having a capacity of transmitting one type to other type. The data that you people are using in one media should be converted or as transmitted into other type. That you should take care, because everyone will not use the same kind of data. And the second one is user interface. This is the biggest problem, because every user will not have the same interface, but individual media editors will be having their own interfaces when you people are editing them, but still they should be consistent. There should not be any problem when the user is accessing that particular media. So we can say that interface of the individual media editor should be consistent, that can be accessed at any time and in any different kind of platforms, I can say. And the processes, the process will be applied onto the individual one. What I'll say, if you are having a media parts, that will be processed individually and served as a parent process management. It will be given as a single component so that that can be processed and managed by editor. Okay, and the next one that we people are having is display services surface. Sorry, next one that we are having is display surface. Should have or else should be viewed as an integrated way, even if we are applying different or multiple editors. See, when using multiple editors, we people can edit the media, but still when you people are giving as an output, it should look like a single one. It should appear like a single document, I can say. That is what the main motto of display surface. It integrates, even though separate editors has been used in order to edit the video or else audio, whatever the media that you people are having, that should be appearing like a single component or as a single document, I can say. That is what the motto of this display surface. Okay, and coming to the next part, multiple buffers and multiple panes. Multiple buffers are used to manage multiple documents. If you are having a multiple documents that need to be collaborated, that need to be manipulated simultaneously, you people can do. Parallelly you can run them, parallelly you can edit them, and this editing can be done at the simultaneous manner. At a time we people can do. And multiple panes are used in order to divide a single document, and can be edited individually, and it can be viewed them, we can view them individually when we people are having multiple panes. Okay, and the next component and next issue that we are having is large document. If you are having a larger document that has been stored in a distributed database management system, or else a single component will be distributed among the different kind of systems that are arranged in the network, those should be managed when you people are having a large document. That is a major issue, because it is a distributed database where people will save it in different kind of location that can be manipulated, that can be accessed at an instance. Okay, and the next issue that we are having is external representation. See, as I already told you people, it should have a standard format so that it can be accessed, it can be represented. The media should be represented in a standard form, I can say, standard format, so that everyone will access them, everyone will use them, I can say. Okay, we do have one more component which is related to your integration, that is hypertext media or else hypermedia and hypertext editors. These are the two components, I can say. Single component where we people will be accessing the structure of a document. We people will access the structure of the document, as well as we can access the document directly, but by using a different various kind of links we will be using in order to access those particular characteristics. As per the requirement of the user, we people will access them. Okay, and this will be having different kind of tools that will be used in order to do so. Okay, hypertext system implemented on the basis of SGML. Right now we have seen standard generalized markup language. Based on to that particular standard, you people can modify the content, text, I can say it can be implemented based on to that. Dyna text will say that. Okay, and the next tool that we people are having, note card. This is the second tool that we people can use in order to implement the hypermedia and hypertext media. Will be incorporated with card metaphors. Okay, the information or else the information will be arranged in a card size chunk, means to say that a small card will be there. In that we people will arrange the data, we people will incorporate the data or else the information that we people will arrange them. Those will be incorporated onto the card size chunks in a hypertext node. Okay, these will be arranged in a simple way. In the card, we people will arrange all the data and we people will provide them. Simply we can say, in a hypertext markup language, how you people will highlight the markup text. In the same way, we people will we people will project the information in a card size chunks, I can say. Okay, in the node card. And the next one that we people are having is guide. Next tool that we people will use, guide. The guide will run onto the different kind of operating systems like Macintosh, Windows and Unix, Linux, whatever the operating system that we people will use, but it will support the compatibility of the language. HTML, HTML, whatever the markup languages that you people are going to use, that will be compatible onto the guides. How you people can run them, that guidelines will be given onto the guide tools, I can say. And the last one, the last tool that we are having is Hyperbo, efficient and extensible personal information manager tool that can run onto the top level GNU Emac, that is Unix operating system, I can say, where you people can edit the text as per your information, and this can be implemented by using Lisp language, Lisp programming language, I can say, that can be used in order to manipulate the data, and that can run onto the Unix operating system. It helps the user to select his or her own procedure or as information that has been given by the user. They can use their own information, I can say. Such kind of tools will be used in the hypermedia and hypertext. Okay, this hypermedia, hypertext can come under short question also, and you people can impose them into the multimedia integration, so that you people will be getting the good marks. సో మల్టీమీడియా ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ మరొకసారి చెప్తున్నానండి. ఇక్కడ మల్టీమీడియా ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అనేది ఏం లేదు, మల్టీమీడియా డేటా ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో దాని రిలేషన్షిప్ని రిప్రజెంట్ చేయడానికి మనం యూజ్ చేస్తామని చెప్పొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ మనకు మల్టీమీడియా ఎడిటర్స్ని యూజ్ చేసి మనం టెక్స్ట్, ఆడియో, వీడియో, బిట్ మ్యాప్, ఇమేజెస్ని కానీ మనం ఎట్లాగైతే ఎడిట్ చేస్తామో, ఎడిట్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఆ ఎడిటర్స్కి సంబంధించిన ఇష్యూస్ని మనం ఇక్కడ డిస్కస్ చేసాం. ఒకటి డాక్యుమెంట్ స్ట్రక్చర్కి సంబంధించిన ఇష్యూ, ఆ స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్ అనేది, ఆ స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్స్ అనేది అది రీచ్ అవ్వాలి, దాని గోల్ అనేది రీచ్ అవ్వాలి. అండ్ మీడియా ఎడిటర్స్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్స్ ఏంటి అంటే, డేటా లెవెల్లో మీరు ఎట్లా చేస్తారు, యూజర్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ లెవెల్లో ఎట్లా చేస్తారు, ప్రాసెస్ ఎట్లా చేస్తారు, అండ్ డిస్ప్లే చేసేటప్పుడు మీరు డిఫరెంట్ ఎడిటర్స్ని యూజ్ చేసి ఎడిట్ చేసినప్పటికీ కూడా సింగిల్ కాంపోనెంట్గా మీరు ఎట్లా చేస్తారు అనేది మనం చూసాం. మల్టిపుల్ బఫర్స్ గురించి, మల్టిపుల్ పెయిన్స్ గురించి మనం మాట్లాడుకున్నాం. లార్జ్ డాక్యుమెంట్స్ మీరు ఎట్లా మేనేజ్ చేస్తారు, అండ్ స్టాండర్డైజ్డ్ ఫార్మాట్లో మీరు ఎట్లా చూపిస్తారు అనేది మనం చూసాం. అండ్ హైపర్ మీడియా, హైపర్ టెక్స్ట్ ఎడిటర్స్ గురించి మనం మాట్లాడుకున్నాం. ఇక్కడ డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ టూల్స్ గురించి మనం మాట్లాడామండి. ఇవి ఒక 4 మార్క్స్ వస్తాయి. సో మీరు ఇండివిజువల్గా కూడా ఈ పర్టికులర్ టాపిక్ని చూసుకోవచ్చు. సో టాపిక్ అండ్ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ఒక లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. కొత్త వాళ్ళు అయితే తప్పకుండా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసే ప్రయత్నం చేయండి, అండ్ మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి చెప్పి వాళ్ళతో కూడా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయించే ప్రయత్నం చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.